Hi, we're gonna set up today the LinkedIn auto commenter. So the first thing you're gonna do is go to the Chrome Web Store. You can access it by Googling Chrome Web Store and then searching for Agent UI. And the first one it will come up the LinkedIn auto commenter. You're gonna select it and click Add to Chrome. Continue to install, add extension. So now you have the AI auto commenter installed. So now I have two versions here. That's why you see two icons. It's going to ask you to set it up. So you're going to go to Agent UI, click sign up and create an account. Once you create an account, you need the professional license to be able to use this. Once you have the professional license, go to automations and apps, create a new automation. I'm going to call it LinkedIn. Click save. Add a trigger, click webhook, copy the webhook, and go into the setup page. Just paste the link here and click send test data. So this will send out the test data to your automation. So you hear an author and content. You just need to refresh it and make sure to refresh it. So now we're gonna go back to our setup and it's gonna give you a persona. So the only part you actually need is the first part where it says use the content from the API to call and then use ChatGPT. And then over here you're going to define the persona you want the agent to have. So in my case, I'm just going to copy whatever it says here, but you can modify this part and enter whatever persona you want to achieve. So I'm going to say you are an AI agent, the friendly, witty, ultra capable AI agent that accompanies missions anyone. So you can modify to match your persona, and then you're going to send that and it's going to start thinking, and it will tell you that it's going to use the language JavaScript and the integration with OpenAI to be able to generate the responses. And now once it's finished generating the code, you click here run step and it's going to generate a response. So you have to make sure that it's a key response, if not in the value. And you have to make sure you run it before you finish configure it. So once it's configured, you're going to click save webhook configuration. So now you have the LinkedIn auto commenter configured. So now you go to LinkedIn, click on the icon to open it, and you're going to see all the posts available for you to comment. And you can comment on all posts, or you can select on one and click comment, and it takes a few seconds. It will copy everything, send it to your API, and modify the response. So you see that I have a response that's too long here. So what I'm gonna do is go to my integration and tell it I want a shorter response from ChatGPT, make it more friendly, and ask a question. So now it's going to start modifying it. I'm going to let it run 1 second. And I'm going to click run to make sure it's working. Okay, so it's asking my question like how I wanted. So now I'm going to delete this. And I'm going to click comment again to see what it generates to make sure everything is working fine. So now you see that I have a shorter response and the answer is a question. I am going to show you how to create an amazing prompt for your AI agent. So we're going to use this pre-prompt that I'm going to put in the comment section of the YouTube video. And in this prompt, you're going to see several things. So one is that you're going to tell it that you're asking for different things, and the only part that you want to modify is the industry that you're working for. For example, in this case, we're using a financial advisor. And then here in this part, you enter what you do. And then here you can modify the tone if you want to modify any of the tones. And you modify the persona and what you do. And then explain what you're doing to the AI agent, and then explain what you don't do, And then you want to here's an example prompt, and you're going to use this prompt to generate the prompt for your AI agent. And then what the ChatGPT is going to generate, we're going to paste in. I'm going to show you where to paste it. So I'm going to wait for it to finish generating. So you see that it generated a brand positioning text, a mission statement, content interaction guideline, and then some sample response. So in the sample response, you can always modify it to match your tone or what you write usually, and this will give the AI examples on the way you write. So then once you have this generated, you can copy it. So I'm just gonna copy everything except the first title. And then go into your automation, go into the code section. It doesn't matter if you don't know how to code. And you're gonna see something here called text. So you wanna remove all of this text. I'm gonna delete this, and then enter a backtick and a front tick, which is this two, and then paste in between the backtick and the forward tick the text we just copied, and then it should work. So then we just click run, and then we can verify the results here, and you're gonna see that it matches the persona that ChatGPT helped me create. So I'm gonna paste this prompt guide in the comment section, and you can always use it to modify to your purpose to use the persona. So let us know what you think. If you want any feedback, just shoot us an email and we'll fix it for you if you have any problems.